Target Trading Academy.
Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to go over some trades today that were taken. This isn't the first trade of the day. This was a trade that I had on. Wasn't really confirming anything, so I did end up tightening my stop. And I actually lost $200 on this trade, which is fine. I had at that point $1,800 in locked in already from previous trades. But the HFTs, when I got in, they were pretty neutral, and then they shot up, and then they kind of peaked out, right? And if I didn't have these telling me that they were starting to change market, because they did kind of get, bearish again, and that's when I was, tightening up that stop. As soon as I saw them starting to change their mind in conjunction with volume, I tightened it up even further to have that $200 loss, because it was either going to go or it wasn't, right? And as far as oil goes, I had two trades here, right? This is off of Patrick's HVA edges that he gives out the night before. And if you look, right, our HGFTs were saying, they're on the sell side. But then we had that confirmation step in. I've already got a quick profit from it when they had that turnaround. And then I took the short as well, and you can see the confirmation on that end as well that they were selling when we were in that trade. So they were good little confirmations for us. Good winners. And then the bigger winners came from NASDAQ. From the NASDAQ here. Let me scroll back for you. Now, I don't have the HFTs on here. I just didn't have them loaded up. But here we have the NASDAQ reversal long before the market opens off of another level that Patrick Asselone gives each night. And then after the open, volume was saying that they're looking to go. I gave it an appropriate risk allotment size. It definitely went against me further than I wanted it to, but it finally broke out, and we took it all the way to the edge of the other HVA that Patrick gave out, where it reversed. I was actually typing in my data log for this trade, so I didn't look to take it, and that's typically a good practice, is to take a break right after a trade. But that would have been a monster winner as well. It came down to this area that I have marked from overnight as future, or more levels of support and resistance. Wasn't looking to trade at that edge for other reasons until we came back up to it if we broke through it, and that's exactly what we did. We took that short from that level that we have defined. This is part of what I teach in my methodologies. Got one off before the HVA edge, watched our volume, and then we got the other off right before they turned around, because our volume was telling us they were turning it around. And look, it's bounced off that edge again that we have marked. So if you're interested in learning trading, best way to start, get a hold of one of our representatives at targettradingacademy.com or on Facebook at Target Trading Academy. Catch us on YouTube, where the levels that Patrick releases are released the day after the market is over. So he makes them, for example, today is August 11th. So he made them August 10th in the evening. They're released to, his students, as well as people that just are interested in the levels. And then those levels that he releases on the 10th for example, will be released in the evening on the 11th, just to show timestamps and whatnot for the validity of the entries. But again, my name is Preston. We're up just over $2,000 for the day. As you can see, we have several indicators available as well, apart from the HFTs. Sorry, not from the HFTs, but from the HVA levels that are given out each night. We have the HFTs as well that are a valuable tool and resource for your trading activities.